Borders don't mean anything to you as a child. What you care about is your parents and that they love you. Then they told me I would be an athlete because I was good at sports. There was no question that you go and you do it. You know, on top, they sell it as an honor. You'll be a socialist sport hero. I was 10. And then you hear things from the West where the kids play the whole time, toys, colorful pens and all that. And then you realize what a border actually is. That's when you know you're grown up.
It doesn't have to be this way at all.
America. I had no idea what America was like. That was so far away. California was like the other side of the moon for me. I knew I would never go there in my whole life. The uncle of my neighbors, he smuggled aboard through the checkpoint a real skateboard from America. Of course, we tried to copy it. We had a little fight because my friend panicked. He wanted to give it some heavy metal nose. And as wheels, we had to use the plastic roller skates. Board didn't work, but it didn't matter. We loved it. It's fun. It's about fun. It's not about competition. There were many people in the East that didn't understand that. You know, we were sick of marching and training and all this shit. We were outsiders in the Deutsche Demokratische Republik. We were like aliens. We weren't political. We were skaters. When I remember the 80s, I don't think of the GDR. I think of my friends. Yeah, they tried to take skateboarding away from us, but what do you think happens when you tell kids not to do something?